Today we're changing out an oil pump, rebuilding an oil pump on this 8N tractor. And the instructions say that you need to take off the oil pan, which is this. It's made out of cast iron, so it's not, removing it's not necessarily so easy. You can say the tractor has the oil pan off now, but there are two bolts up in the front of this thing that you cannot see until you get the front end off. So you got to take the front end apart from the back end, so the little support arms and then the steering mechanism has to come apart. The hood has to come off. And then once you get that all apart, you can put the rebuild kit into the oil pump, which is behind this little sump right here. And the problem we're having right now is that you've got to remove the gear that forms the oil pump. And you can see it here, we have it in the vise where we're trying to press that out. So it's on that gear. So this is the drive gear for the oil pump. Here's the one gear for the pump, and the other one goes on that little spline right there. But we've got to get this out, so we're trying to heat that gear up without getting this shaft too hot. We've made a little progress, but that's what we got going on for today. Is once we get that off of there, the new one, my dad just went to put the shaft into the freezer, and then I suppose we'll heat this gear up. Whoops, see, it's got that little keyway or thing to, so it turns it, and the other one's just an idler thing. But then we'll just put all this back together and the tractor will make oil pressure again. Yay!